I've gone up along my top property line. And this is where I planted some grass, and you can see all these trees are either leaning or there are a lot of small trees that that was all that was left. Here's an old gate that got hit last storm. It's not quite square anymore, and the fence isn't with it anymore. I gotta duck underneath this tree. And it's going to be quite a project to clean all this up. But I'd like to get all this off the area where we planted all this grass. That's all new grass there. Oh, here's my PJ. Hey, boy. So, this pile of stumps here is work that Brooks did. That was why we're able to plant all this grass. I'm going to go up to the corner and then head down.